Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable voice instructions in the Maps.me app on your phone. This feature allows you to receive spoken directions while navigating, making it much easier to follow routes without constantly looking at your screen. First, open the Maps.me app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the More option. Then, select Settings from the list that appears. After that, find the option labeled Voice Instructions and click on it. Now, you will see a toggle to turn on voice instructions. Turn it on, and your app will now provide spoken directions while navigating. Finally, make sure your phone volume is at an appropriate level so you can hear the instructions clearly while using the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.